In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your personal budget in Notion for 2024. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to enhance your financial tracking, I've got you covered with this step-by-step guide. So let's dive in and get you organized for the coming year. First, you'll want to make sure you have access to the Notion website on your preferred device. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll find a downward-facing arrow. Give that a click. This is your portal to all the magical templates that Notion provides, and thankfully, there's a perfect one for tracking your personal budget. Next up, you'll want to locate the search bar, a handy tool for finding exactly what you need without the hassle of endless scrolling. Enter Personal Budget Database into the search field. You'll see a variety of different layouts specifically designed to help you manage your finances. Each has its unique features and style, so feel free to browse through your options. Whether you're looking for something straightforward with just the basics, or a more comprehensive setup that allows for additional data, there's something that will align with your budgeting needs. Once you've reviewed your options, choose the layout that fits you best. After all, budgeting is a personal endeavor, and finding the right setup can make a significant difference in how effectively you manage your finances. A single click on the Add option next to your chosen template will bring it into your workspace, ready for you to make it your own. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your template. Notion offers a lot of flexibility, so you can tweak almost anything to better match your style and financial goals. Feel free to add categories that pertain to your unique expenses, like subscriptions or irregular income streams. Adjust the currency symbols to fit your locale and even set up formulas that auto-calculate totals or differences for easier tracking. Remember, the aim here is to set up a budget system that aligns with how you naturally think about and track your spending. This is your personal template, so make it work for you in a way that feels intuitive and enjoyable. By fully customizing the template, you arm yourself with a tool that helps in making informed financial choices throughout the year. And there you have it. From finding Notion's personal budget database to making it uniquely yours, you're well on your way to tracking your finances more efficiently. With your new setup in place, staying on top of your budget has never been easier. Keep exploring all the features Notion offers and don't hesitate to tweak things as your financial needs change. Happy budgeting, and I wish you a prosperous 2024.